Hi, I do have to ask, are you real?
Well, no, not actually, I am not. But I can still help you promote your business.
Yeah, it's okay. Promote my business then.
Sure, let's do this right now. Tell me what you would like. A product, a service, your website, or an event maybe?
Do Vividoc. It's our AI video service agency for businesses.
Sound, camera, action. Hi all, still relying on text to communicate your messages? Tired of learning new tools? Vividoc.ai now offers done-for-you videos. No agency, no camera, no DIY, no tech skills needed. Just tell us what you want and we'll create the video for you. Visit Vividoc.ai today.
That was great. Good message delivery too.
Thank you. Did you notice my pendant, the room and logo on the wall? All cooked into the video for you.
Absolutely. You just describe the video you want, our experts create it and deliver it. Now starting at $60.
Any presenter, any venue, any product or service. No agency, no camera, no DIY, no tech skills needed. Just tell us what you want and we'll create the video for you. Visit Vividoc.ai today.